everyone.
Well, at this time we are going.
I
I am
Oh,
going
yeah.
to
Salah,
deliver some conversation. But before that, firstly, I will.
Sama
I
cute.
would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Alia and my partner
Ini
is.
di.
We are from Indonesia and we are also students of Rumah Belajar Bersama, a place to study English, Arabic, and mathematics, learn reading and writing for kids, recite Quran as well. We think enough, let's start.
Hai.
Conversation 1. Laundry care. How often do you do your laundry?
I usually do it once a week. How about you?
I usually do it once a week. How about salah. I tend to do smaller loads twice a week. Do you separate your colors?
Yes, I always spread white, dirt, and colors. It's important for maintaining clothes.
That's good. What temperature do you use for washing?
I use cold water for most things, but hot for whites and towels. What about fabric softener?
I rarely use it. I've heard it reduce the absorbency of towels.
That's interesting. I didn't know that. Do you have any tips for removing the stains?
Retreating stains immediately. Works wonder. What's your go-to laundry detergent?
I prefer unscented, hypoallergenic ones. They're gentler on clothes and skin.
That's smart. How do you dry your clothes?
I use a dryer for most things, but I dry delicates. This helps them last longer. Conversation 2. Houseplant maintenance. I have several houseplants. They really brighten up my apartment.
Do you have any houseplants?
I have a few, but I am not very good at keeping them alive. Any tips?
Watering properly is key. Most people tend to overwater. Have you tried using moisture meter?
No, I haven't. That sounds useful. What about requirements?
It varies by plant. Some need direct sunlight, while others prefer shade. The research is important.
I see. Do you fertilize your plants?
Yes, but not so often. Over-fertilizing can harm plants. What kind of pots do you use?
Just standard terracotta pots. Is there a better option?
It depends on the plant. Some prefer plastic pots that retain moisture better.
Interesting. How do you deal with pests on your plants?
I use neem oil spray. It's natural and effective against many common pests. Conversation 3. Organizing a garage sale. Have you ever held a garage sale?
No, but I've been thinking about it. Have you?
Yes, I organized one last summer. It's a great way to declutter.
That sounds useful. How did you decide what to sell?
I used to have a use it in a year rule. What will you want to get rid of?
Probably some old furniture and books. How did you price your items?
I researched similar items online and price slightly lower. It's important to be flexible.
What era did you advertise yourself?
Yes, I post on social media and put up signs in the neighborhood. It helps a lot.
Thanks for the advice. I think I'll try organizing one next month. Conversation 4. Planning a station. I am considering taking a station this year.
Have you ever taken one?
Yes, I had one last year. I was surprisingly refreshing.
What made you decide to have a staycation?
I wanted to relax without the stress of travel. Plus, it's smart budget friendly.
That makes sense. What kind of activities did you plan?
I visited local attraction I'd never been to before and tried new restaurant in town.
Sounds fun. Do you have any at-home activities?
Yes, I had a spa day at home and binged some TV series. It was very relaxing.
Nice. How long was your staycation?
I took a week off. It was the perfect length to feel recharged.
Do you have any tips for making it feel special, even though you're at home? Conversation 5. Choosing home decor. What would you say your home decor style is?
I'd say it's pretty minimalist. What about yours?
I lean toward a cozy eclectic style. How do you choose new pieces for your home?
I usually look for functional items that match my existing decor. Do you have a favorite place to shop for home goods?
I love browsing thrift store for unique pieces. Have you ever tried that?
Not really. I tend to stick to big furniture stores. How do you make different styles work together?
I try to find a common element, like a color or texture, to tie things together. What's your approach to color in your home?
I prefer neutral colors. They're calming and easy to match. How often do you change your decor?
I also pick up small items seasonally. It keeps things fresh. Do you have any art on your walls?
Just a few minimalist prints. I am not sure how to choose art. Any advice?
Choose pieces that speak to you personally. Art should make you happy when you look at it.
That's a good perspective. Maybe I'll try to be a bit bolder with my choices. Conversation 6. Home security upgrades. Have you made any security upgrades to your home recently?
Yes, I installed a smart doorbell this month. How about you?
Not yet, but I am thinking about it. How do you like the smart doorbell?
It's great. I can see who's at the door even when I'm not home. Have you considered any specific security measures?
I've been looking into alarm system. Do you have any experience with those?
I don't, but my neighbor has one and loves it. What about outdoor lighting?
That's a good idea. I could definitely use better lighting around my entry points.
Motion sensor lights can be really effective. Have you thought about smart locks?
I am a bit hesitant about those. Are they really secure?
From what I've read, they're quite safe when used properly. Do you have any security cameras?
No, I am concerned about privacy. What are you dog on that?
I only use them outside and make sure they don't capture neighbors' property. It's a balance between security and privacy. Tidak mau buka ya? Conversation 7. Setting up an aquarium. Do you have an experience keeping fish?
No, but I have always been fascinated by aquarism. How about you?
I set up my first aquarium last year. It's been a fun experience.
That's cool. What size tank did you start with?
I began with a 20-gallon tank. It's a good size for beginners. What type of fish interests you?
I like the idea of a tropical community tank. What fish do you have?
I have a mix of tetras, gubies, and corridors. They're quite easy to care of.
So nice. What about the technical aspects, like filtration and heating?
Those are crucial. I use a hang-on-back filter and an adjustable heater. Do you know about cycling tank?
I've heard the term, but I'm not sure what it means. Can you explain?
It's a process of establishing beneficial bacteria in the tank. It's essential for the health of the fish.
I see. There's a lot to learn. Maybe I should start with a small beta tank. Conversation 8. Pushing outdoor furniture. What kind of outdoor space do you have?
I have a small patio. I'm looking to furnish it. Any suggestion?
Weather-resistant materials are crucial. Have you considered wicker or teak?
I hadn't thought about materials. Is teak expensive?
It can be, but it's very durable. What's your budget like?
I'm hoping to keep it under $500. Is that realistic?
It's doable if you shop smart. Have you checked any second-hand options?
No, I haven't. Where would you recommend it?
Try local online marketplace or yourselves. You can find great deals there.
That's a good idea. What about comfort? Any tips?
Look for pieces with removable cushions. They're easier to clean and store.
Thanks for the advice. I'll start my search this weekend. Conversation 9. Garden landscaping. I'm thinking of redesigning my garden. Do you have experience with landscaping?
A little, I've done some work in my backyard. What kind of look are you going for?
I want a low-maintenance garden with native plants. Any ideas?
Native plants are great for attracting local wildlife. Have you considered adding a water filter?
That sounds interesting. Will they require a lot of upkeep?
Not necessarily. There are low maintenance options like small fountains. What about pathways?
I hadn't thought about pathways. What material would you suggest?
Gravel is a good, inexpensive option. It's all permeable, which helps with drainage.
That makes sense. Do you think I should hire a professional designer?
It depends on your budget and the complexity of your plan. Have you sketched out any ideas?
Not yet. Maybe I should start there before deciding on professional help.
Good idea. Planning is key to a successful landscaping project. Conversation 10. Composting techniques. Have you ever tried composting?
I have been thinking about starting. Is it difficult?
Not at all. It's quite simple once you get the hang of it. What type of compost bin are you considering?
I'm not sure. What options are there?
There are enclosed bins, tumbler, and open piles. It depends on your space and needs. Do you know what materials you can compost?
I know about fruit and vegetable scrap. What else can I add?
Leaf, grass clipping, and even some paper products work well. Do you have a garden to use the compost in?
Yes, I have a small vegetable garden. How long does it take to get usable compost?
It usually takes a few months. Are you worried about any potential odors?
A little. Is that a common problem with composting?
Not if you maintain the lines of materials. Would you like some tips on avoiding odors?
Definitely. I want to make sure I do this right from the start.
Because we are the future of the world, we believe that what we do can stimulate our next generation for the significant impact of studying launch. So we hope it can be a way to be successful. See you in the following conversation and miss you all. I am Lee and my pair is
Oh ya.
Rumah Belajar Bersama. Bye bye.